I'll try to show you macadamia plantation. Yeah, I was like, my God, can I go and see macadamia trees? There is also tea there, but I don't know if I will be able to film it before my phone is off. I've filmed a lot of things, then my phone got discharged. Yeah, there are securities over there, so just I asked them to walk around because there is a small way which is going to the habitation where I wanted even to show you. Fortunately, my phone is discharged. And as you see, there is a football match here between Bukoto FC and Amafh FC. Let me talk to the security first. Guys, I have only 2 minutes and then I will go to ask for permission so that I can go inside the field. So this is what is macadamia. So it is bringing seeds. Do you see this? This is a seed, and this seed is having a nut inside because now the securities there can take one. So see, there is a nut inside here, and it is very hard actually. So when they start breaking themselves, they will harvest. So yeah, this is it. I get one. This is Amafh plantation. This is the reason why I came here, to greet people and show you Amafh plantation. See, when you break it, this is how it's looking like. This one is a nut. I've showed you. So I have to go back. You got me singing. I cannot go far. I told them that I'm a student. I want to show people how macadamia looks like. Yeah. Before I've talked with the manager of the farm. Actually, they wanted to take the farm into Burundi. Then they were talking with the government. So I hope in the future, if I get enough money, I may take the market because I loved it. So in macadamia, they get oil. And this plantation is too big for it. So guys, I have to stop here. I asked them 2 minutes only, but it's more than 2 minutes. I will do my best and do so many videos as I could to show you around Africa, the culture of Africa. Yeah, keep enjoying. I really like the nature, by the way, but this is a big deal plantation. So I really appreciate everyone who is supporting my channel. For you, I do everything that I could. So much love. Yeah, so I really appreciate. I stop video here and then I will just take the shot for the tea. Yeah, so I will have to pass around. I don't need to show the security faces. I will just turn around because I don't want to show the face of the security. And then this is tea plantation. You got me singing. Yeah, this is it. This is a company for Indians, but I have seen also some Pakistanis are there. Some people from Kashmir. And the guys, I'm really tired because I've been filming the whole day, because this village has a big significance for me. When I came in Uganda, I left this village searching for a job. I wanted to work in the company, Amafh farm. There. Yeah, so you see the house of the company. Yeah. There. I will not go there today. Maybe I will just ask appointment one day. Come to film inside, because you know the company is not something you can film anytime you want. But at least you can see this tea. And you see, life in the village is not that much bad. There's some good houses out there. They are harvesting water from the roof. Then you see they can stock the water over there. So yeah, I will continue to show you the tea. I want that video to be on this phone, because on the other phone it's quite not best quality. It's getting late here, but I'm happy because I've filmed enough videos. Let me come closer. This is the tea plantation, Amafh farm. They will cut these 3 leaves, the last 3 leaves, like this. Here, 1, 2, 3. That's it. The good quality of tea. Yeah. And then you see, this is the tea. They cut the tea so that it will bring fresh leaves. Here they have cut them. They will cut that side also, yeah, so that the tea will be good. Then they will put manure, yeah, but this tea here is not that very much maintained like the tea I know in Kakonde. Yeah, Kakonde is the main one. Even the tea from here will be going to Kakonde. So I worked in Kakonde as a supervisor, so I used to register the tea from here. They cut them to bring fresh leaves. So guys, you see, but this one is not looking beautiful like it should be looking when it's not cut down. You got me singing. You got me singing. I stop here. Yeah, so love you so much guys. So keep following my channel, subscribe. This is SIDOINE International. I came all the way here just for you guys. Yeah, but they sent me to Kakonde because they are also Indians. This is coffee. See, this is coffee here. So if you don't know coffee, that is the coffee. subscribing. This is KSIDO International, and then many videos to come. So guys, thank you very much. Indian people, salute. You have given me so much knowledge. This is the Amafh plantation of macadamia. Then boom, this is the tea of Amafh farm. Thank you very much. I love you. I stop here. Bye bye.